Hello. Today we will show you how to delete your Google account. Hope this helps. Open your browser. Type Google account. Go to Google account. Click your profile. Select the account you want to delete. Go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down. Click Delete your Google account. Type your password. Make sure you want to delete this account. If yes, click here. Then delete account. Bye-bye Google account. Don't worry if you accidentally deleted your account. We have a solution for that. Click here to recover or undelete your account. Thanks.